Captain, we're in space and we're flying the Jedi warrior plane here, and we're about to land, but it's so dark here in space. Here we go. Oh no! The lights went out! Ah!
No! Not the lights! Where?
They're back! The lights are back! There's a lot of turbulence, Captain. What do we do? What do we do? I can't hold it still. Too much turbulence.
I don't know. Just try to get for landing.
Landing ahead. Here's the pattern. There it is. We're about to go in. On this alien world full of remote controls. Oh no!
Remote control!
The remote controls are attacking!
No!
Ah, they got us surrounded!
No!
Oh, here comes the big one!
Evacuate! We must get back and land